Hello viewers, today I will discuss about local area network in a lab or in your office in my channel itechsolution. Welcome. This is the introduction on LAN. I want to show the simple way how to prepare a network. Anybody can do this with a little knowledge of computer and the tools of hardware. The basic devices required are follow. First you need computers and which is switch connecting to the computer with LAN cable as shown the slide. LAN cable with color code given as under orange, white, orange, the color, the layout of twisting cable of green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown, and we have to assign this color layout with cable layout in the RJ45 cable. And next slide we are here. This is required RJ45 and NIC card. RJ45 is right side of the slide and left side is the LAN port in motherboard that is fitted with a NIC card if there is no LAN port in the motherboard. Crimping tool is required to place the connector with cable layout, and cable layout is given next slides. The LAN tester, and then I want to show the joining peer-to-peer network. A diagram is here. There are 4 computers, 1 server, and centrally it is connected with these are connected with switch. So this is a peer-to-peer network. The requirements for Ethernet LAN. The requirements for Ethernet LANs are here: 2 or more computer systems or a network device. NIC, which is giving the LAN port. Same operating system environment, that is Windows or Linux based environment. RJ45 connectors to fit into the port. Ethernet Cat6A, category 6A Ethernet cable, and category 5 or category 5. The LAN cable will be crimped with a straight wire rules. The color combination of wires, and then the connecting of cable from PC to switch centrally located on the LAN system, and Internet Protocol address IP address version 4, which will be provided by the office or administrator, and to assign statically, that is we will assign it manually. Next the points we want to follow is the IP range of same class is required to follow the LAN system. There will be same work group if it is in the similar OS, that is Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows XP, and it will be treated with a work group, that is same work group. The firewall of Windows and antivirus firewall should be stopped during this connectivity checking. And next, the network sharing wizard should follow, and discovery of devices will be on, and file and printer sharing will be on. Password enable security also should be allowed. So according to color code, we have the straight standard T568B standard, orange, white, orange from the left of the connector, connecting the wires, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. The orange white means the one cable with both the color combination, orange and white, orange and laying of white color. So it should be in both the side same color combination, that is from left to right, in other side also. So placing of wires should be according to the color combination. so please follow the rules. Next, IP classes may be of A, B or C classes. The IPs of 32B18 4 octet, which are given as A class from starting octet 1 to 126. The ending is 254 basically. 0 and 255 is not allowed to assign. Class B started with 128 octet, first octet to last 191. Class C is 192 octet started and ending with 223. And the last IP is 254 according to assignment IP rules. 0 and 255 is barred to assign because it represents a network. A network or broadcast IP. It's called broadcast IP. So next we will if we set these rules and LAN connectivity started pinging to each other. But in case of problems, we should follow these rules for troubleshooting. Basic troubleshooting is try replacing if the cable, if this is not pinging on each other. Try replacing LAN driver software if it is not giving the LAN properly. If firewall is on, we should disable it. Sorry. Next, if reply is okay so peer group is not showing, we should try sharing wizard to allow discovery of IP network devices. If it is not showing the LAN properly, then the DNS IP should be checked and cleared. If it is with a 127.0.01 IP, then it should be cleared. Some high configured devices require IPv6, so we should configure IPv6. So some devices allow IPv6. Next, if home group is not there, then there should be work group, and the work group will be same in its PC. So lastly, you should check the IP addresses cache. If IP is conflicting with each other, the same IP is assigned, so clear the IP address, old IP address. The simple command is ipconfig // DNS will clear the all IP and renew the IP manually. I think it will work for the LAN system, and definitely the connectivity will be okay. And in network properties, in work groups, there will be all PCs connected with each other and accessible from peer-to-peer network. So hence definitely your LAN is going to work in one go. And thanks for watching the tutorial, and please repeat these steps from again, view these steps and try to install your network, and subscribe with my channel itechsolution if it works for you. Thank you. Jai Hind.